If you are completely new to Python, start here. In the next 5 minutes, you learn the Python basics. You actually need to get started. Let's begin. So, what exactly is a Python? Python is a programming language that's easy to learn and widely used in the tech industry. It's used for data science, artificial intelligence, automation, web development, and many other applications. In this video, we all start with the basics and build our understanding step by step. So, let's start with the most basic Python command, the print function. The print function is used to display information on the screen. For example, if I write print hello world, Python will display hello world as the output. We can also use print to display numbers or even calculate simple expression. Next, let's talk about variables. A variable is used to store information in a program. For example, I can create a variable called name and store the value John inside it. I can also store numbers like age or salary. Once we store this information, we can use this variable later in our program. Now let's look at data types. Python uses different data types to represent different kinds of information. Text is called a string, whole number are called integer, number with decimal points are called floats, and true or false value are called boolean. Understanding this basic data type is important because you all use them in almost every Python program. Now let's learn how Python makes decisions. We use if and else statements to check a condition. If the condition is true, Python runs the code inside the if statements. Okay? If the condition is false, Python runs the code inside the else statement. For example, let's check if a person is an adult. Next, let's learn about loops. A loop allows us to repeat a task multiple times without writing the same code again and again. One of the most common loops in Python is the for loop. In this example, Python will print the numbers from 0 to 4. Let's put everything together in a simple example. We'll create two variables, check a condition using if and else, and then display the result. This is how different Python concepts can work together to solve a simple problem. And that's your Python foundation. In just 5 minutes, you will learn how to use print statement, variable, data type, condition, and loops. This is just a beginning. In this next video, we'll learn Python function and list. If you want to learn Python step by step, subscribe and follow